Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would show you guys how to make another keto-friendly drink today. Since it's starting to feel a little taste of fall, I know that it's gonna heat back up again, but it just feels like fall to me. I'm not gonna get crazy, I'm not gonna start decorating or anything like that, but I did want to show you how to make one of my favorite tea drinks. So I know with all like the pumpkin spice drinks that like Starbucks offers, there's a lot of fans out there. I am not one of them. I do not like pumpkin spice coffee. I think it tastes artificial and gross to me, and so I'm not a fan. I try every year and I've finally given up. But all is not lost. I have an awesome drink that I want to show you how to make today. And this is a keto-friendly drink, at least the one that I'm making today. However, you can use almond milk, you could use coconut milk, you could even just use regular whole milk if you wanted to. But I'm gonna just use heavy cream because it's, I do mostly keto. So anyway, this is called a London Fog. And basically, I usually get the Twinings, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And it's just the Earl Grey tea with lavender. I picked this one up because that's all that Target had. They didn't have the Twinings. So, or Twinings. It might be Twinings. I don't know how you pronounce it. But anyway, so all you have to do is brew 2 tea bags. So here's my cup. And I've got 10 ounces of water in here. And I've just been letting my tea kind of steep a little bit. And then I also have about half a cup of heavy cream, and all I'm gonna do is kind of get this warm. So I'm just gonna warm it up on the stove. So, got that going. So you're just gonna let your tea steep while your milk is heating up, and then all you're gonna do is add a little like dash of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla extract to it, and then some kind of sweetener. So, I mean, that is if you want it to be sweet. So I'm going to use the Equals Natural, and if you could actually make this like a bulletproof London Fog if you wanted to, and add like butter or MCT oil or coconut oil. And then if you did decide to do that, you would just want to take your milk frother or a blender and blend it up really nice, and that would be good. But I'm just going to keep it simple: tea, heavy cream, cinnamon, vanilla, and then the sweetener, and it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to show you, once I get my tea steeped for a bit, I'm going to show you what everything is looking like. So I'm just bringing up my heavy cream to a light boil, very light. And I just whisked in some of the cinnamon, the sweetener, and the vanilla extract as well. Probably just like, I don't know, maybe just a couple of shakes of the cinnamon. It's really to taste. And then the vanilla extract, I used about half a capful, really, is all I use. So again, just another little splash. And then the sweetener is just based off of personal preference, whether you want it extra sweet or just light. And again, the sweetener is optional. You do not have to use that. And so basically you're just gonna let that warm through and come to a light little boil. And then we're gonna pour it into our tea, and I'll show you what it looks like. And that's it. It's so simple. So I've got my tea made, and I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh, it's so good. It's just, I don't know, it's so pleasant. I don't know how to explain it, other than I just feel like it's like a perfect fall drink. We drink it all year round, but it's good stuff. So I hope that you'll give this a try. And if you do, let me know. I don't know if this is like a traditional way of making it. I've never had a London Fog other than what I make here at the house. So if you have tried a London Fog before, tell me what you think. And if you try this one, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy this on the porch, enjoy this weather because it's gonna heat back up. Hopefully not for too long. I really wanna see fall come in here. I have so many ideas for videos, and you know, we're gonna go and do a bunch of different like fall activities, and I'm so excited for it. It's my favorite time of the year. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. And also, I would love it if you would subscribe. I'm gonna be having so many more videos. I have so many ideas. And if you have any ideas for videos, leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have in mind. And I will see you next time. So thanks for watching. Bye.